If Pixlr is giving you a Chrome error, freezing, showing a black screen, or just refusing to load properly, this video will help you fix it fast. I'm going to walk you through the easiest Pixlr Chrome error fixes step by step so you can get back to editing without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and software tutorials. Let's start with the first check because this one tells us a lot very quickly. Open Google Chrome and then press Ctrl, Shift and N to open an Incognito window. This is important because Incognito mode usually disables most extensions, which makes it the perfect way to test whether a browser add-on is causing the problem. Once the Incognito window opens, go to Pixlr.com and try to load the editor again. If Pixlr opens normally in Incognito, then the problem is most likely one of your Chrome extensions. In that case, go back to your regular Chrome window and disable your extensions one by one until you find the one that is interfering with Pixlr. Ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, and even some performance extensions can cause web editors to fail. If Pixlr still does not work in Incognito, don't worry. That means the issue is probably not an extension, and we move on to the main fix. This next step clears out old site data that can conflict with newer Pixlr updates. Over time, Chrome stores cached files, cookies, and local site data, and sometimes those files become corrupted or outdated. That can stop the editor from loading correctly, especially after major updates. To do this properly, first close all Pixlr tabs in Chrome, then press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. That opens the Clear Browsing Data window. At the top, set the time range to all time. This is important because we want to remove every old Pixlr-related file that may be causing the issue. Now, make sure you only check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. You do not need to clear everything unless you want to. Keeping the cleanup focused helps avoid removing things you may not need to delete. Once those two boxes are selected, click Clear Data and wait for Chrome to finish the process. After that, completely restart Chrome. Don't just close one tab. Make sure the browser fully shuts down and opens fresh again. Then go back to Pixlr and test the editor one more time. In many cases, this step alone fixes the Chrome error because it removes the corrupted or outdated data that was blocking the site. If Pixlr is still black, laggy, slow, or just not rendering correctly, then the issue may be related to graphics acceleration. This is especially common on systems where the browser and graphics driver are not working together properly. The good news is that Chrome has a setting specifically for this. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then go to Settings and open the System section. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. If it is turned on and Pixlr is still not working correctly, try turning it off to test the difference. If it is turned off, turn it on instead. Different devices behave differently, so the best setting can vary depending on your browser and graphics card. After changing that setting, click Relaunch so Chrome can restart with the new configuration. Then open Pixlr again and see if the editor now loads properly. This step can make a big difference if the screen is black, the canvas won't render, or the editor feels unusually slow. So to recap, the fastest way to fix a Pixlr Chrome error is to first test in Incognito, then clear site data, and finally, check Chrome's graphics acceleration setting. In most cases, one of these three steps will solve the problem and get Pixlr working again. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple troubleshooting guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.